Hello children, today we'll cover the first flight poem which has been written by Carl Sandburg, and the poem's name is Fog. The Fog is in the 10th class English syllabus. So welcome to my channel, The English Angel. And let's begin with the poetic devices. So the poetic devices which have been used in this poem are, first of all, metaphor, because fog has been given the metaphor of cat. It comes on cat feet, so the fog has been given the metaphor of cat. Then analogy. Analogy is the comparison between two things or the similarities between the two things. So fog has been referred here as cat and cat has been referred here as fog. So there is an analogy here. Then personification. So fog has been shown here doing some actions which the living beings do. Like it comes, it sits, it looks and it moves. So these are the few personifications here which we find in the poem. And let's begin with the poem then. Okay, before beginning with the poem, let's see the difficult word meaning. First is harbor. Harbor means a port or a dock where ships and boats they come and dock in. And haunches. Haunches is the back part. Actually, this part is called haunches. And the cat, the monkey, and the dog they sit on their haunches. So this is the position which I wanted to show you, in which the cat will be sitting in the poem. Okay, now let's begin with the poem. The fog comes on little cat feet. The poet is saying that the fog is coming silently on the little cat feet. If we look at the movement of the cat, it comes silently. You don't come to know about its movement, if it is coming or what. So the fog is coming silently, just like a little cat. It is coming on little cat's feet, and then it sits looking over harbor and city on silent hunches. Then it sits silently on its hunches, on its back part. Similarly, the cat sits on its haunches on the back part and looking at the city and the harbor. So similarly, the fog is also coming and sitting comfortably over the city and the harbor. That means the fog has covered the entire city and the harbor. There is a fog in the city and on the harbor. But after some time, then moves on. This fog moves on and it frees the city and harbor from fog. So the fog is coming silently. It covers the city and harbor and then moves on. And all the actions have been given the metaphor of a cat. Like the cat comes silently, sits and looks over the city and the harbor and then moves on. Similarly, the fog also comes silently, covers the city and the harbor and then moves on. Okay, so now let's see the poetic devices in the poem itself. The fog comes. Comes is a action. So there is a personification here. Personification. Then this personification is here. Then moves on. This is personification here. It sits looking. This is personification here. The fog comes as a personification. It sits because fog is sitting and looking. So this personification then moves on. Again there is a personification here. And the metaphor, little cat feet. The fog has been given the metaphor of little cat because it is coming on the little cat feet. So here the summary finishes of the poem.